Guys, thinking of a study lamp? It's simple. Today Austine Tech wants to teach you how to make a study lamp. Today you'll make one at your home. First of all, make sure you have a box like this one or a cardboard. After that, you bring two pieces of box that you have joined them like these ones. As you see, mine is joined. There are two. I have joined them. Making sure that here at the bottom is not joined and at the top. You see? After that, you make this one stand still in the middle of the cardboard. You see. Guys, like this one. You see I have joined mine. After that, making sure it stands still. You see mine is still there. After that, you introduce another box. Here is another box. This box here, you just bend it. After bending it, you introduce it here in the middle. Do you see here in the middle? Introduce it there in the middle. After that, you tie with the tape. Tie it. After that, make sure that it is like mine. You saw how mine looks like. I have tied it very well. After that, now we want to bring in the circuit. The circuit itself, the bulb. Continue, keep what? Subscribe for the button. That red button, click it and subscribe for more. Let's introduce a bulb as shown below. You see? Guys, after that, so you see here is my bulb. It has two wires. These two wires, extrapolate them by joining there another long wires. You see. After joining some long wires, make sure that you cover them up. After that, as you see the wire, I have joined them very neatly. You continue now with what I'm doing. You do it at your home. You extrapolate those wires. After making sure that these wires reach at the bottom, now we want to introduce a switch. At this switch, we'll introduce it just by cutting one single wire here and introducing it a switch there. Guys, after introducing here your switch, you see there we have introduced our switch. You just bring it here. Then you tape it up so that it doesn't move. Or you can just leave it. But taping it here, it is suitable. Guys, after that, you now connect your source of current, the battery. Connect it as I shown you, like this. This goes to the positive one, this one goes to the negative one. Guys, after connecting your battery, now you put it a suitable place like there, that. Then you tape it carefully. You tape it. After that, guys, you are done. You can now use your torch, your study lamp. You see. Now let me bring my book and study as you see. Pause. Guys, there I study now. As you see, I'm seeing my work very clean, neat, and clear. You can use this idea to your home. You can make your study lamp today. Thank you. I was your host, Austine Tech. Subscribe for more. Next, I'm going to teach you how to make various things. To avoid missing the content, subscribe now and be encouraged. Nothing is impossible. Welcome. Thank you.